Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sync iCloud photos to PC, quick fix step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you have iCloud for Windows installed on your PC. If you don't have it, download it from the Apple website. Once downloaded, open the installation file and follow the on-screen prompts to install. After installation, launch iCloud for Windows. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Once you're logged in, locate the Photos option in the iCloud interface. Ensure the checkbox next to Photos is selected. Now, select the option for iCloud Photo Library. Click on Options beside Photos to access additional settings. Make sure Download New Photos and Videos to My PC is checked. You can also select a folder where your photos will be saved. Click Done to confirm your settings. Next, click the Apply button to ensure your changes are saved. Your PC will begin syncing with iCloud. Open File Explorer to access your photos. Navigate to the folder you selected for downloaded content. You should now see your iCloud photos on your PC. If syncing is not occurring, check your internet connection. Ensure that your PC and Apple devices are updated. Reopen iCloud for Windows and verify your login status. You are now ready to view your iCloud photos on your PC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.